In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit file in Bitbucket. We're going to make a quick change to a file directly in the Bitbucket web interface and save it with a commit. This is ideal for small fixes, typo corrections, or updating configuration values when you don't need to clone the repository locally. First, open your browser and go to bitbucket.org. Make sure you're signed in and that you have permission to modify the repository you want to change. If you're in a workspace, you'll see a list of projects and repositories you can access. Open the repository where the file lives. You can find it from your recent repositories, your workspace sidebar, or by using the search bar. Click the repository name to enter it. At the top of the page, you'll usually see a branch selector. Take a moment to confirm you're on the branch you intend to update so the change lands in the right place. From the repository's landing page, go to the source view. The source section shows the directory tree for the current branch along with files and folders. Navigate through folders by clicking their names until you reach the file you need. If you're editing documentation or a config file, make sure it's a text-based format. Binary files can't be edited in the browser. Select the file you want to change. Clicking the file name opens a read-only preview. If it's Markdown, you can glance at the raw content and structure. At the top right of that file view, click Edit to open the online editor. Here you can type directly into the file. The editor provides line numbers and syntax highlighting to help you spot errors. Use find shortcuts to locate text quickly and watch out for formatting details, indentation, brackets, quotes, and commas, especially in languages like JSON, YAML, or Python where structure matters. Make your updates and review them carefully. When your changes look good, scroll to the commit area. Add a clear, concise commit message that explains what you changed and why. Good messages make reviews and future troubleshooting easier. If your team tracks work with issue keys, include the reference so it links automatically. By default, Bitbucket commits to the branch you're viewing, so confirm that branch before finalizing. You can also review the diff preview to verify exactly what's being added or removed. Finally, click Commit to save your changes. Bitbucket will process the update and return you to the file view where you can confirm that your edits are now part of the repository history. If your repository runs checks or pipelines, they may start automatically after the commit. That's all it takes to edit a file on bitbucket.org. Open the right repository, navigate to source, select your file, use edit, and commit your changes. Happy editing!